We got an iPhone 13 Pro Max with a blank screen update. The iPhone suddenly died and sometimes the charging indication shows but failed to power on. We insert the charger but no response. Battery removed, then the iPhone is powered on. Battery status looks swelling. The wrong charging way damaged your battery. Most of the iPhone batteries with good health are also damaged. If you have to know the right charging way, see the video in the description. This will help to save your battery life. We insert the wall battery again and insert the charger with no powered on sign. If the battery is swelling or bulging, then only replacement is the solution. If you replace the battery, then battery health is not shown, means the battery was encrypted. So, you have to swap the battery BMS board. Now, we replace the battery. In my case, the BMS board is also damaged. Now insert the charger. The iPhone is powered on. If you face such issues, then try this once. Here you can see important battery message on settings. In the section on battery health, you can see unknown parts and maximum capacity is also not shown. To fix this health issue, you have to swap the BMS board of the old battery. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below.